Hi everyone, Iris here, and today we are here to grill. We're gonna serve up the best flavors of grilling in one dish with our loaded pulled pork waffle fries. Sweet, spicy, smoky, meaty. What more could you ask for? We're gonna get started by marinating this pork with barbecue sauce and gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste. We're gonna reserve a little bit of this sauce for later. Do not be shy, I'm just gonna get in there with my hands. You want all these flavors to meld into the pork and get all covered. You're gonna give this a nice massage and let this rest overnight. Luckily for you, I already did one last night. So with this marinated meat, we're just going to layer on some pancetta. The pancetta is gonna add some saltiness and some crispiness with the fat. It's gonna be so delicious. And from here, we will just brush on some of our remaining sauce. And the caramelization from this sauce, the sugars in these sauces, is gonna create a beautiful, delicious crust. Now that we have the sauces brushed on and the pancetta layered, we are ready for the smoker. All right, guys, we have got our meat off of the smoker and we've wrapped it in foil while it rests, so that the meat stays nice and juicy. And while it rests, we're gonna prepare the toppings for our waffle fries. Very crunchy. So we've chosen waffle fries today because we know we're loading them up with tons of toppings. The bigger the fry, the better the bite. And so the toppings that we're putting on now, we're using a red onion. So we're just gonna dice this nice and small and bite size. So we're just gonna grate up some extra sharp cheddar cheese. You can use whatever melty cheese you prefer. With all of this beautiful cheese, we're just gonna set it aside while we shred the star of the show, the pork. Okay guys, we are gonna open up this little birthday present. Oh my gosh. Look at her, she's so beautiful. That glaze has really melted on and caramelized. You can see that pancetta. So from here, we're just gonna shred it up into bite-sized pieces. You can grab talons if you have them, or just big forks. Oh, yeah, wow. It smells so good. Look at these beautiful colors. I wish you guys could smell this. It's so flavorful. Smoky, sweet, a little tangy. The texture is so great. It's perfectly cooked. So we are just gonna take this beautiful, beautiful package over to the smoker and let it smoke and get those flavors nice and melted, cook up some of the onion, and then melt all of that cheese. I cannot wait. All right, guys, so we have our loaded fries off of the smoker and we are going to garnish with a couple of amazing ingredients. We have more gochujang, so depending on your spice tolerance or spice love, add as much as you want. Next up, we have some creme fraiche, which is gonna add some, balance out some of that spice and add some creaminess. And to this, we're gonna add some sliced scallions, which is gonna add some more texture, some crunch, some freshness. We also have some cilantro. And last but certainly not least, we have a yolky fried egg. These fries are loaded up with so much rich flavor and texture, and though we've chosen to use some Korean-inspired flavors here, you can really use whatever toppings you want to pack in that flavor on your next loaded barbecue fry. The creaminess, the crunchiness, the smokiness, and that meat is just perfectly cooked. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bussin Eats. We'll see you next time.